Hello and welcome to 1831 East Boundary Road, located here in Northeast Columbia. Zip code is 29223. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath home. Very spacious, one-level home throughout. Also has a sunroom on the back end and also a storage unit in the backyard as well. Let's go take a look. All right, we're going to make our way to the backyard. On the side of the home, you have your doorway that leads into the family room, which we'll get to that once we get inside the home. Here is the storage unit that I mentioned earlier in the video. And here is the backyard. You have your walkway from the driveway all the way to the back. And this is the backyard. And the sunroom that I mentioned earlier. You have an entrance from the backyard here through these steps, and then also you have another one through the dine-in portion of the kitchen to where you can come out. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. Okay, we are now inside. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your living room right here. It is carpeted, pretty good size. And also you have 2 windows right here that look out into the front yard and also the neighborhood. And we're gonna go through this doorway right here and make a right. Here is the kitchen, and also the dine-in portion of it is pretty large. And then you have your slide door right there that leads to the sunroom. You have your cabinets right here, and also your stainless steel stove, and also refrigerator, both made by Frigidaire. Right next to the kitchen, you have your family room. And this is the side door that I mentioned earlier when we were walking on the side of the home going into the backyard. Here you have 4 windows right here that also look out into the front yard and also the neighborhood as well. And it's actually pretty large size in here. And right here, going through this slide door, you have your laundry room. And we're going to make our way back through here. As you can see, it is carpeted in here as well. And you have a number of windows throughout. Nice sunlight that comes in. And this is the door that I mentioned earlier from the backyard. Okay, we're going to make our way back through the dining portion of the kitchen. And we're going to take a look at the bedrooms and also bathroom. Coming back through the hallway, first door on your right is the bathroom. You have your single vanity right here, also your mirror. And going forward, you have your toilet and also your shower and tub combo. Coming out of the bathroom, diagonally from there, you have bedroom number 1, decent sized bedroom, and it is carpeted as well. Also have 2 windows that look out into outside into the front yard. And then you have your closet right here. Coming out of here, going into bedroom number 2. Same style as bedroom number 1. It is carpeted as well. You have your light fixture up top and also 2 windows that look out into the front yard. And also you have your closet right here on this side. And the last bedroom is the master bedroom. Slightly larger than bedroom number 1 and 2. You also have 2 windows that look out into the backyard. And you also have your bathroom, which is this door right here to the left. You have your closet right here, which is number 1, and closet number 2 right here as well. Alright, and here is the bathroom. You have your toilet also and your single vanity and mirror. Alright, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 1831 East Boundary Road, located in Northeast Columbia. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.